All right, we got some Wednesday birthdays for you today. We're beginning in Girard with Kinsey Newkirk, who's turning 18. Happy birthday to you, Kinsey.
Oh, my paper says 17, so she's somewhere in there.
She's another year wiser regardless.
That's right. Casey Thompson is 34 years old in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Casey.
We got Kobe Sinclair turning 37 over in St. Paul. Happy birthday, Kobe.
All right, and we have Andrea Pontius celebrating birthday number 39 in Erie, Kansas.
We've also got Amy Haney celebrating birthday number 50. Happy birthday, Amy.
Kathy Ford celebrating the big 7-0 this year. Looking great there, Kathy, in Chanute.
And over in Baxter Springs, Jim and Beth Cullum celebrating their 7th wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary to you, Jim and Beth.
All right, and our list goes on. Bill and Thelma Hilbrandt are celebrating 62 years of wedded bliss there in Iola, Kansas.
And Paige and Kiera Nicholson, they are twins in Fort Scott, celebrating their 16th birthday today. And we've got Landon York in Lawton celebrating birthday number 7. Now, if you want to get us your birthday, Tanya's going to tell you how to do that.
Please send them to us via email, or you can drop them by the station or send them by the USPS method as well. But the fastest, of course, would be email. Send them to either of these two addresses, birthdayswithan@KOAMTV.com or birthdayswithan@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And of course, when you're checking out our website right now for the latest on this winter storm, you can take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses, and you get a special message from your friends here at KOAM. Just head over to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the Birthday Club today.